What's up, guys? Today we're diagnosing a no-start intermittent on my sister's 2003 Chevy Blazer, the 4.3 liter, and the no-start is you turn the key and you try to crank it and nothing happens. So we're gonna check the solenoid, old school method. And let me get you set up here. So there's the solenoid, if you can see it, right down underneath the exhaust. And that's why they go out. They get hot from the exhaust manifold and go out. So we're gonna try the old school method of trying to get it to start. Here we go. So when you start hearing me tap, Jen, I want you to try to turn the key, and when you start hearing it catch and do something else other than me tapping, hold that key and it should fire right up.
Okay.
There she is. Started right up. If you ever get stuck, this is one way to get you unstuck. We've racked the truck. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery and replace the starter. So we need 8mm 5/16. Go ahead and disconnect the negative side of the battery here real quick. Lift it up in the air, make it easy to get the starter out. All right. There it is. Looks like 13 or 14mm. Oh, that's 15 years of being bolted up. Oh yeah. There's one. There's two. Getting dirty. Oh, this puppy's gonna be warm too. Alright, go ahead and kill it. So we got the new starter and rockauto.com. How much was it, Jen?
It was like 67 plus.
$67 plus shipping.
Came up to about $70 altogether.
Power Select. Made in China. Getting the starter signal wire off. We'll go ahead and clean up these contacts. Make sure it's nice and clean when we put the new starter on. Here's the old one. Getting the starter signal wire back connected and nice and tight. Alright. Let's get the bolts in. Get it tight. Connect the battery back up. Start her up. Make sure that puppy's tight. Girl, look
good.
Alright. Let's go ahead and drop her down and get the battery connected. Start her up. Are you moving the zoom at all?
No. Okay, I'm focused. It's all good.
Alright, let's go ahead and try to start it up. Starts right up. Sounds good. Well, thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to diagnose a battery starter and get you going if you need to get going. Bye.